It's past 3:30 now. Let's place an order for lunch. Let's check what options do they have. So guys, I got my green tea. Tastes good though. And now I'm going to have my cut fruits. My lunch has arrived and it looks yummy. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
We have just reached the airport. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And right now I'm in Guwahati and this is my first layover, so I'm so excited to be here. So let's see, we're heading towards the hotel now. Just finished a flight, so see you later. Bye. So actually we were so hungry, so we have just bought this samosa because the hotel is very far from the airport, so it will take around 1 hour they're saying. So let's see how long does it take. And now we'll just have this samosa. Say hi. Oh hi. Now we have just reached the hotel and it's so beautiful. So hungry already. Let's check what do they have. Actually, there is not much option. Just a light. Ceilings. So yeah, this is the washroom. Yeah, we have a bathtub here. This is the pool field. We have a TV here. And wow, I hope the pool is open. If it's open, then we can go in the evening. I've just got freshened up. So exhausted already after the half day. Yeah, we woke up around 3 today morning. I was in Chennai and then we had a flight. Now I'm in Guwahati, Vivanta Taj, and it's quite a nice hotel actually. I've just come here for the first time for a layover, and I have heard the food is also quite good here, so we have ordered our lunch. Let's see how it goes, and we are planning to go out in the evening. Let's see if it works out. 2 of my colleagues stay in the other room. They have to buy some vegetables as well, so we'll be going out in the evening. If there's street food, we plan to have that also. If not, then unlucky us. So yeah, see you later. So guys, my plan got changed. So now my sister, she just gave me a surprise, and she came to visit me in Guwahati with her friends, and I just got to know a while ago, and so I got dressed up and now I'm waiting for them. I'm outside the hotel. They'll just sit for a while downstairs and then we'll be going out to have some food. They're coming. Yeah, that's my sister and her 2 buddies, best friends. So yeah, they're coming. This is by the poolside. Here's my sister. She has come all the way from Shillong. Are you tired?
Yeah, quite tired.
She hasn't eaten any food, so we'll go to eat some food out. And I'll show you the view of Guwahati. We're going to the washroom to wash our hands because we're going to eat tasty thali. Bye guys, bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Just now my sister and her friends left and I'm heading back to my room. My roommate is still sleeping, so I don't want to wake her up, so I took extra room keys. I just reached the room and Madhu? उठ गए? Oh, आप सो रहे हो? So I've just come back from outside and it was a yummy, delicious dinner I had. And now I'm going to remove my makeup and I'm planning to sleep early today because we have got early morning flight tomorrow. So just remove my makeup. So I just got freshened up and I'm on my bed now, ready to sleep. So I'm going to end this vlog here. So that's all for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. And I'll be sleeping early tonight because we have got early morning flight tomorrow. So please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. See you next time.